As a beginner affiliate marketer, you are very confused which product to promote. I recommend you to join the Builderall affiliate program. Builderall is a drag-and-drop platform that has all the tools you need to build your online business. I think the simplest way to describe Builderall platform is take the Wix system, GetResponse system, and ClickFunnels system, put them all in one platform at an affordable price of $30 per month. These are the main reasons why I recommend beginner affiliate marketer to promote Builderall. First reason, Builderall is a platform with all the tools you need for your affiliate business. It's much easier to promote a product that you are using it daily and have hands-on experience. Second reason, Builderall has a built-in 90 days challenge training on how to promote Builderall through organic traffic without any money. The last reason, the affiliate program is 2-tier commissions and you get a monthly salary. Down below in the first comment, you'll find all the information about the 90 days Builderall challenge. See you there!